Regardless of the type of home you live in, controlling humidity is crucial for the health of your home and family. Hidden dangers like mold, dust mites, allergens, and all types of creepy crawlies can thrive in moist environments and can lead to poor indoor air quality and uncomfortable living conditions. Not to mention the negative effects this moisture has on your home's foundation, wood floors, and appliances, which can cost you tens of thousands of dollars to replace. Portable dehumidifiers may be a good solution for a single room, but they aren't powerful enough to dehumidify large spaces, which leads to them running constantly, breaking down quickly, and costing you more on your energy bill. AprilAire Dehumidifiers provide peace of mind from moisture issues, all while operating quietly, efficiently, and requiring very little maintenance. The AprilAire line of dehumidifiers are specifically designed to handle humidity in large spaces, and they range in size from 70 to 130 pints of moisture removal per day, providing a solution for basements, crawl spaces, or your entire home. Designed and assembled in the USA utilizing US and global components, these powerful units are built to last with the highest quality materials and are backed by a 5-year warranty. That's why tens of thousands of contractors and millions of homeowners turn to the experts at AprilAire to help manage indoor air quality. AprilAire dehumidifiers are simple to use and add an extra level of MERV 8 filtration to clean the air while it removes the moisture. Unlike portable models, AprilAire dehumidifiers run only when they need to and are the only whole home dehumidifiers recognized as ENERGY STAR Most Efficient. And forget about emptying that messy water bucket, as these units will drain easily into a sump or condensate pump and will shut off automatically if for some reason the drain becomes blocked up. You may be enticed by the cheap price point of those portable units, but there's a very good reason why most of these models only have a 1-year warranty. Many also aren't aware that more than 7.6 million portable dehumidifiers being sold under well-known brand names have been recalled due to fire risk and have caused more than $24 million in damages. You may want to reconsider that portable unit. If you have moisture issues in your home, save yourself the time, hassle, and money and invest in a trusted, long-lasting solution. You can breathe easier knowing the most valuable things in your life are protected by the leaders in indoor air quality at AprilAire. AprilAire, your home for healthy air.